Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video we would be talking more about triggers. So for today we are having a different trigger. So let us say you are having an account and you are having some related opportunities with that. So what you want is there is a field on account that might be any field like phone number field for example. So if our phone number field on account gets updated, so we have to update that on all related opportunities for that matter. Okay, so we want to have this thing. So this is the account and these all opportunities are related to this account. Okay, so what we would understand in this that all this would be possible in the after update context, because whenever the accounts get updated the related opportunity should also get updated. So how to think over this guys, like how could we come up to a solution, or to an optimal solution for that matter. So let us say all this thing we are doing in our handler class. Okay, so we are in our handler class. So first let us create a blueprint that what should be our steps for before doing the actual hands-on. So let us say for example you got trigger dot new from the accounts that you are uploading either manually or either through data loader. Okay, so from this trigger dot new you could get the account IDs, and from that account ID we could store in a set. And after that what we could do is we could have a DML over our list of opportunities where we could get those opportunities. uh, okay, so from here you got the IDs and opportunities, but one thing more that you could do is while calling the handler class you could also send the old map. Why old map? Because we want that say for example these are your accounts like account 1 2 3 4, okay, and so on so on. And from here we want to check that which accounts are getting created, that means which accounts are getting updated, I'm sorry. So how we can get that is uh, from the trigger dot old map. Okay, from your trigger dot old you could filter out those accounts that are having or that are undergoing an update operation. So let us say if there are total 50 accounts, but after this filtering we only just got 20 accounts. So we reduce this to a pretty little amount, as well as without this trigger dot old we could not tell that which accounts have been updated. So this is necessary. And instead of keeping a set every time, what we could do is guys, we could also use a map. Why and how map? Because map is a very efficient way to store our data structure data. So like in map what you could have done is okay, first of all you could have created a map of what ID and account. Okay, now we have created a map of ID and account. Why I am making this map? Because if you don't create a map you have to go to the two for loops, for inside for. Okay, so that is a bit expensive approach. So what we would prefer is we would be preferring to just uh, work on with this ID and account. So now you have a map of your IDs and account values. So you could now we have a DML operation where we would be getting those opportunities. Okay, and what we could do is from this map we are getting the IDs, and if we have a for loop over those opportunities, and in that for loop we would check that if our map contains this particular account ID. If our map contains this particular account ID, then what should this do? Then we should update the opportunity dot phone or any field that we are creating with your map value. Okay, because map gives us two key parameters, that is the get method and the put method. So in this we would be making use of the get method, and from there we would be updating our opportunities. So here you saw guys that how to think differently, or how to think so as to we can avoid our expensive calls, and we can have managed data, so that managed as well as the efficient data. So let's hands on with this guys. Okay. Um, guys, if we see into our account, there is a field of phone. So from here we can get our phone, and if we talk about our opportunities, so what we can do is uh, see there is a tracking number field over here. So you could use this field as well, and else while you could create your own field for this. So I would be going with this tracking number only. So in here we would be creating a class account with opportunities and to update handler. So we have created these two things as a part of our best practices. So first of all, to increase the font guys, I hope now this should be visible to all of you, and this would be after update. Okay, and okay, after update now what we would be doing, we would be calling this method, this class here dot update related opportunities. In here I am passing trigger dot new and trigger dot old map. Okay, and what was the method? Uh, List of account. We got a new account and map of ID with account, old map, and save this and save this as well. So and after it is working in after update context. So but yeah, it is better if you use checks in here, like if trigger is after, and if your trigger dot is update. This is a part of best practices guys, as in here we are not learning to code, but we are learning to code efficiently. So uh, oh sorry, uh, okay, our error is gone. Now in here we are having our new accounts and as the map of ID and account. So what we can do is map of ID and account uh, uh, updated phones is equal to new map of ID and account. Okay, updated phones, because first of all, as we discussed, we have to filter out this criteria. So what is the basis of criteria? Like for account ACC in your new accounts that we are getting from the trigger.new. uh, if first of all, you have to check that if your old map is not equal to null, and and uh, acc.phone is not equal to old map dot get acc I mail dot acc dot id dot phone. Okay. Now, what is this? So first we have to check that if your old map is not null, because if it is null, so we are to just doing the insert operation, no update operation. But if and now now it is having some value, and what is this checking? Like this is the phone field, and if it is not equal to old map.get acc.id.phone, that means the old phone number and new phone number should not be same. That is the means of updating, else while we are wasting our resources. So if it is not equal to null, so updated phones dot put, what we are to put acc.id and acc. Okay, so in here what we did is uh, filtered out the counts uh, where phone is updated. Okay, and now what we could do is, now we could have list of opportunity related opportunity is equal to new. No, we would be doing a DML operation. So select ID, and one thing more, guys, in our opportunity we have to check what we are taking. It's like this tracking number I was telling you. So I think we should go with this as well. uh, okay, and tracking number, so this is a text field, data type is text. We might need to convert this, but okay. From opportunity where updated phones dot key set. So what we are doing in here is uh, we are getting the related opportunities uh, where the account ID lies in your map.keyset. And what needs to be done here is, now we have to loop over this opportunity O in a related opportunity. Okay, now a good code practice is like, if related opportunity dot size is greater than 0, then only do this operation. So if your opportunity O in related opportunity, so first of all you have to check, like if your updated phones, if your map dot contains key what O dot account ID, if it is having, if this opportunity is having this account ID, then O dot tracking number is equal to uh, what this now you are to get the value of the account. If you haven't made this map, now you had to do with a multiple for loops. So tracking number now you could be getting from this updated phones dot get o dot count id dot phone dot phone. Okay, so in this tracking number we are updating, and uh, now this is getting updated. One thing we could have done here is, like, we could also create another opportunity where we could have this opportunity, because uh, we don't know how many opportunities would match with that related account. So and in your final uh, and in here, okay, and uh, uh, list of tracking. So yeah, we could do direct way only. No need for this as well, but yeah, if you want, you could have created this as well. Okay, and in this we would be doing update uh, related opportunity. So we created this, and okay, so let us check this out, guys. uh, Now our account, we would be creating a new account only. Test opportunities. uh, Phone number is, and now the account name is test opportunities, and the phone number would be 123456789. Okay, and new account is created. We have created this test opportunity as well. So let us say this opportunity is automatically created because somewhere we had created a trigger for this as well. So I think this is getting created, and tracking number, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this is the tracking number over opportunities. So now what am I doing is, I am updating my account. So what am I doing is, from this phone number I am doing 987654321. Okay, now what it is saying, uh, account with opportunities execution of after insert after update. It is three. Okay, we haven't queried this ID and account ID, because we are using this account ID, but we haven't queried that. See guys, actually that problem was just for querying. There was some problem with my account and it was not displaying the result. So what I did just was, guys, I just added this account ID and thereafter it went well because we haven't queried it, and in down we were using it. And since I told that we couldn't avoid this as well, but for those who want to understand as well, as if we want to optimize to some point of time, we could use this file list, and in here we could create opportunity and same ID as this opportunity ID, and in this we are putting this field and updating the value. Okay, so like for example, since my phone number is like this, so if I do my phone number to reverse, okay, so what should it print on my opportunities is should be the reverse. Okay, see, this is the reverse of my phone number, and let us say that we are having two opportunities. uh, so opportunity 2 and close date stage, and we are not adding this tracking number field. So when I am updating my account to 654321, so I want that my opportunities, all opportunities should be 654321. So yeah guys, it is working, it is successfully done. So I hope you understood today's video, that how you could work in an after update context, like after your account is updated you have to update your contacts as well, etc. So and in this video or any previous video you are finding any doubts related to any topic regarding we have covered, you could comment down below. I would be happy to solve your doubt.